milhão de anos, 450 anos, 450 anos, 200 a 500 anos, 80 a 200 anos, 50 a 80 anos, 50 anos, 40 anos, 20 a 30 anos,
民众购
20
买
anos.
80%的电子产品，最终将被填埋。
Papirnati lončki za kavo, čas razgraditve 20 let. Plastična folija, ovitki revij, vrečke za čips, čas razgraditve 20 do 30 let.
1 million years, 450 years, 450 years.
Roughly 80% of electronics that we buy end up in landfill. It starts by prioritizing 6 products that businesses will have to take responsibility for. Tires, plastic packaging, electronic waste, farm plastics,
agrochemicals and refrigerants. It's part of the government's $124 million waste reduction scheme, which hopes to reduce the tons of waste that goes to landfill every year.